Joe Teague of Equity Armor Investments joins us now for our final trade of the day. Good to see you there, Joe.
Thanks for having me.
Before we get to your trade of the day, let's take a look at the broader market. Our traders thinking from here that the S&P 500 could trade in a tight range.
Yeah, we're seeing the VIX around this 13 range, and that says that we're going to see low volatility, and that is exactly that, tightness in the range. We had a really narrow range on Tuesday with a narrow range on Wednesday. Now, interesting to me, when I see a top in the market, I also see a relative low in the VIX. Yesterday, we actually had a market that looked like it might have made a lower low in the S&P 500. We did not see a relative high in the VIX. It was stayed below that 1340 area, so we didn't get that confirmation of that. It says to me the market's still waiting for maybe potentially more room to the upside. Of course, the market's loving everything from the Fed. We love the 3 rate cuts, we love the QE, and it's accepting the fact that maybe we're not going to see any more rate cuts. The rate cuts have been pushed off to 2021 because the economy is stronger, and at the end of the day, maybe that's the most important thing for the market.
You have Disney on your list. Tell us why.
Yeah, earnings coming up. I'm going to be focused on the Roku earnings. That'll be a key signal to me. Is there going to be a lot of interest in Disney? Of course, Disney, 52-week high, 147, plenty of room to the upside. It got a really big jump off of that announcement. It was going to go on the streaming service. So if there is a pullback, I'd love to accumulate more Disney there. And I'll be watching it, maybe nibble a little bit into the earnings because, of course, we know the earnings play will be risky.
What would be some downside potential for Disney, or maybe some headwinds coming up?
Just guidance on number of viewers, guidance on how long it's going to take to turn to profitability. Of course, is a really expensive overture, but I love the fact that they're spending their money and they're putting their money towards growth. That's where I think the future is, and I think it's a popular product. As a father of a 2-year-old, I know somebody who's really interested in seeing this.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.